Hey everyone, how are you? We're back with another video here on our channel. I just arrived and had an idea for my dinner that I want to share with you this afternoon. A delicious dinner that will be perfect for you to make at home. So I'm going to make a simple chicken in the pressure cooker and I'll be showing you step by step. But before we go to our recipe, I want to ask you not to forget to leave your your comment. It's very important to us and it will help us strengthen our channel. I want to thank each of you who are already part of the channel because our channel is growing a lot. It's almost reaching 3,000 and it's thanks to you. So my big thank you to each of you. I want to ask you to keep sharing, keep leaving your like, your comment, which will help us a lot, right? YouTube recognizes that our content is relevant and ends up showing it to more people. I thank you for being part of this family. Now, without further ado, let's get to our recipe for today, which is simple, easy, and practical to make. So here we have our chicken. What are we going to do? Let's start by adding salt. The salt is up to you. You add to taste, okay? Add the amount you want. I'm going to put 2 small spoons of this salt. For me, that's enough. I'll mix my chicken well. To be well seasoned. We've already added the salt. I'm going to add a portion of olive oil. More or less this amount of olive oil. I'll add a head of garlic like this, just crushed. And now let's take our chicken and place it on top of the garlic. I'll add paprika.
And that's it. And now let's cover it.
Covered, let's light our fire. And let's let it cook. Folks, 30 minutes have already passed. I think our chicken is good now. Let's take a look.
Look at this, there's our chicken. Let's take it out. Our chicken is ready. Let's remove it from cooking, right? Look here how it is,
Folks, here is our chicken already. Look at this. What a marvel. It's falling apart, see?
Look at this. Look at this. Folks, now let's taste it to see how it is.
This recipe is 30 minutes to make, very practical. So folks, if you liked it, don't forget to leave your like, your comment. It's very important to us. It helps strengthen the channel. Share it. My big thanks to all of you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video with more simple and easy recipe tips for your daily life. A big kiss, a hug to all of you. Bye.